This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. The pollen filter is located in the heater unit and is accessed from inside the car on the passenger side. Rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise and remove the fascia lower trim. Slide the access cover to the left, remove it, then pull the filter element downwards from the housing. Slide the filter fully into position, then refit the cover and slide it to the right to secure. Refit the fascia lower trim, then refit and insert the fasteners and tighten them securely.